Afrina says, in the Quran there is a verse in Surah Al-Asr where Allah says, indeed mankind is in loss. Why Allah said that, and what should I do to not fall into this category? Why did Allah say that? No one has the authority to question Allah Azza wa Jal. If one is asking to inquire and to learn, then the answer would be because Allah created mankind in loss. Except, as Allah mentioned afterwards, those who fulfill the 4 categories: the belief in Allah, doing righteous deeds, they advise and remind one another to be patient, and they advise one another about truth. And this is what, if mankind follow, they would prosperous and be among the winners. Imam al-Shafi'i, may Allah have mercy on his soul, said, had Allah only revealed to mankind this surah and nothing else, that would have sufficed them. One of the shortest surahs of the Quran, yet it has a profound meaning behind it that summarizes our life on earth in this hayatud dunya. You want salvation, you want to win, you have to implement the conditions mentioned in this great yet small surah.